IRFC complete stock analysis. In this video, we are going to analyze the IRFC complete chart. Okay, from here, this is the stock IRFC. The current price of the IRFC is 24.50. Okay, 24.50 now. The stock is at 24.50. अभी ये स्टॉक 24.50 पर है. आज का क्लोज 24.50. Okay, now here from after breakout of this pattern, you can see this triangle pattern. Here we can get up to 2.90% upside moment if it breaks upside, and if it breaks downside it will go 2.89% downside movement can take place in the stock. Okay, that is the based on the pattern analysis, and based on the support and resistance analysis, here is the complete analysis of the IRFC. Let's see that. Okay, these are the blue lines are the weekly chart supports and resistance. Okay, you can see blue lines are weekly chart supports and resistance, and these yellow lines are the daily chart supports and resistance. Okay, here also same as now at 24.50. okay, closed here. It may bounce tomorrow taking support on 24.50, and it may bounce up. That means the stock can go up movement up to 24.95. chances are there bouncing back to resistance. Okay, if resistance breaks, then it will go up to next resistance, that is 25.25. okay, if resistance breaks, then it will become support, and if support breaks, then it will become resistance. Okay, after breaking 24.95, then it will go up to 25.25 if the candle closes above this resistance, above the resistance line, daily candle. Okay, this is daily candle, each candle represents one day. Okay, closes above this line, then my chances are there. This is just a probability. Okay, and if now 24.50, if 24.95 breaks, then it will go up to 25.25. if 25.25 breaks, then it will go up to 25.50. if 25.50 breaks, then it will go up to 25.70. if 25.70 breaks, then it will go up to 25.95. and if 25.95 breaks, then it will go up to 26.20. if 26.20 breaks, then it will go up to 26.35. if 26.35 breaks, then new higher high will form, and it may go higher high based. Okay, based on the momentum and the news and all technical analysis. Okay, here downside, if 24.50 breaks, then it may go up to 24.50. here you can see, and if 24.50 breaks, it may go up to 24.25. if 24.25 breaks, then it may go up to 23.70. if 23.70 breaks, it may go up to 23.45. if 23.45 breaks, it may go up to 23. if 23 breaks, then it may go up to 22.85. and 22.85 breaks, then 21.90. and 21.90 breaks, 21.50. if 21.50 breaks, then 21.35. if 21.35 also breaks, then it may go up to 20.85. if 20.85 also breaks, then it may go lower low form, new lower low forms, and based on the price action and technical analysis, you can take the other movements. Okay, downside movements and upside movements are clearly set. Okay, and this line acts as a support. Okay, this red line trend lines acts as a support, and this also acts as a support. You can see here touched here, and again bounce came, and again touched like that. Okay, here also you can see stock was doing consolidation here, and here it took support and bounced. You can see up to here, and again took support and again bounced, and again here down. It may took support or may bounce again also, so it may down also or may up also, whatever. Okay, support and resistance. If this breaks, we go up to nearby resistance, nearby support. Okay, like that. This is the complete chart of the IRFC. This IRFC was launched on 29th Jan 2021. Okay, this is the first daily candle of this IRFC. Okay, this is the complete analysis of the IRFC, Indian Railway Finance Corporation stock. Okay, you can see, you can check out this. Okay, analysis yourself. Okay, first learn the analysis and learn about the stock markets, and then enter into the stock markets, and so that this will avoid the losses in your portfolios. Okay, so learning first is better. Okay, to avoid losses. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us for updates, regular updates. Okay.